Example number 2. The decorative block shown in the figure is made of two solids, a cube and a hemisphere. The base of the block is a cube with edges 5 centimeter and the hemisphere fixed on the top has a diameter of 4.2 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the block using pi is equal to 22/7. So the edges of the cube we are given 5 centimeter and the diameter of the block is we are given 4.2 centimeter. Diameter of the hemisphere is 4.2 centimeter. This means the radius of the hemisphere will be equal to 2.1 centimeter. Half of 4.2 is 2.1. So now we have to find out the total surface area of this block. So total surface area of block will be equal to total surface area of cube plus CSA, curved surface area of hemisphere. You can see here that in this block we have to find out total surface area. So total surface area of the cube we have to use full, and the hemisphere which is surmounted on this is covering this much area with its base. So this part is totally covered, which will not be counted in the area as it is the covered portion, it is hidden portion. So this part we have to remove. So total area of the block will be total area of the cube plus this area of hemisphere, which is curved surface area of hemisphere, and this portion which is covering the top of the cube will be removed. So minus base area of hemisphere. That is, so TSA of cube is 6 into side square, 6a square, plus CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, minus base area is pi r square, which is circular base. So basically we have the area to be calculated is 6a square plus pi r square. 2 pi r square minus pi r square is equal to pi r square. So 6 into side of square cube is 5, 5 into 5, plus pi is 22/7 into the radius is 2.1. You can use 21/10 into 21/10 by removing decimal. It will help us to calculate the answer. So 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So here 6 into 5 into 5 is 150 plus 22 into 63 upon 100, that is equal to 150 plus multiplying 22 into 60, 1368 upon 100. So now if we take the LCM, it will be 100 and it is 15000 plus 1386, which is equal to 38661. So 16386 upon 100, that is equal to 163.86 centimeter square is the total surface area of the block.